Do you want to learn SQL and save money? My November 2022 sale is now on. Hello, I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com, and if you go to that website, you'll see that I have got over 40 courses in SQL, Power Platform, Azure, reporting software, fundamentals, and Microsoft Office. For a limited time, you can buy these courses for the minimum price that Udemy will allow me to sell them for. So let's have a look at my SQL courses. So we start off with Microsoft t-sql. So I have a 1-hour course which looks at the select statement, a 9-hour course that goes deeper, and then a 29-hour course that goes even deeper. And if you want any of these courses, just click on any of these and you will see details of my course and also the special price that you can buy them for. So if I scroll down, you can see the description here, various reviews, what in detail you can learn, and comments from other students about my course. If you want to know more about SQL than t-sql, then I've also got database administration courses, both on-premises and in the cloud in Azure, SQL Server integration services, SQL Server analysis services, both the multidimensional MX and the tabular version, reporting services, SQL for Microsoft Access, and Azure Database Fundamentals. If you're not interested in Microsoft, then I've also got a course on Oracle SQL. As I say, if you click on any of these links, you'll get to my course and information about it. You can also preview the course and watch some videos from the course by clicking up here in this Preview the Course section. So what else can you learn in addition to SQL? Well, there's the Power Platform and Dynamics 365. So this allows you to make model-driven apps, canvas apps, Power Automate flows, so you can move and transform data from one source to another, and Power BI and more. So you can see the fundamentals of Power Platform and Dynamics 365 with the PL900 and MB910 exams. And then you can find out how to actually create the apps with the App Maker course. We'll go deeper in the Functional Consultant, and if you are a developer, then why not have a look at the PL400 Developer course, which allows you to extend the functionality of the Power Platform. If you're more interested in Power BI, then please have a look at the PL300 Analyzing and Visualizing Data with Microsoft Power BI. So in this course, we'll be looking at visualizations in part 1, loading the data and transforming it in part 2, connecting different queries together in part 3, and then putting it online in part 4. Speaking of online, you can also have a look at my Microsoft Azure courses. So we've got the Fundamentals course for Microsoft Azure generally, or one specifically concentrating on data. Or maybe you want to administer relational databases on the internet. Well, this is where the DP300 exam could be useful. So there are 3 different types of databases in Azure. There is Azure SQL Database, Managed Instances, and virtual machines running SQL Server. And we'll find out all about those in this course. In the reporting software section, we'll have a look at Tableau. And there are 2 certifications you can take for Tableau, Data Analyst and Specialist Desktop. And my Tableau course covers both of them. So we start off with the Specialist Desktop and then develop further into the Data Analyst. So we'll have a look at creating visualizations using maps, calculations, and looking at other aspects of the full software. And you can get Tableau Public and Power BI Desktop for free. We'll also have a look at Crystal Reports and Microsoft SQL Server reporting services as well. If you want a shorter course, then please have a look at my Fundamentals course, which are typically between 6 and 10 hours and concentrate on a specific Microsoft certification, whether it is Microsoft Azure, Power Platform and Dynamics 365, security, or SQL Server or programming. And then finally, Microsoft Office. So whether you are looking at Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. The courses in here are for you. Now, in particular, I want to have a look at one particular course, this Microsoft Word 2019, which doesn't just contain Microsoft Word, but also contains Excel and PowerPoint. So in around 14 hours, we have a look at how you can prepare for the official Word, Excel, and PowerPoint certifications. Now, one of the good things about looking at certifications such as these is that you don't know what you don't know. But Microsoft can say, okay, in our certifications, this is what we want you to know. And in a changing job market, having certifications is very important. That way you can put it on your CV or resume and you can get a new job or maybe even a promotion. So if any of these sound interesting, then please have a look at my website, idodata.com, and have a look at what you could learn in 2023. Thank you very much for watching this, and keep learning.